This is how we sign soon. Okay, we're going to use both hands, and the hand shapes are the same. They're going to be the letters U. All right, so how do we make a U? Well, start like this. Get rid of your pinky, ring finger, put the index and the middle finger together, wrap around your thumb in front so it's on top of the ring finger. Aha, we have U's. Don't separate, that's a V, we want U's. All right, so I'm right-handed. With my non-dominant hand, I'm going to put that first U right here. Now I'm going to take this other U with my dominant hand, I'm going to put it on top. It's going to be at the end, towards the end. And now we're just going to go back and forth a couple times. Soon. All right, just short little movements. We're not going way around. It's just short little soon. Soon, 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 soon. From the side, soon. From the other side, soon. From the front again, soon. Okay, so let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Soon, soon, soon. So just think, it's just a short amount of time that has to pass, and then soon something will happen, right? Soon. Soon. All right? We're going to use the hand shapes U. All right? So put one down there, the other one on top. We're making connection. We're touching. We're rubbing a little bit of friction there. Soon. Okay, we just talked about how to sign soon.